Hi, this is S. Mahato, Accounts and Tax Consultant from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. Just think if you are a supplier and you supply any goods or services or both to any person, and if such person does not pay your amount till the date, then what action you can take against him? In today's video, I will provide you such legal knowledge which you can use against him. Okay? Remember, a supplier who is registered under GST supplies any goods or services or both to any registered person. And if such a registered person does not pay amount towards the value of supply and taxes payable thereon within 180 days from the date of issue of invoices by the supplier, then the supplier shall furnish the detail of such invoice in GSTR 2 for the month immediately following the period of 180 days from the date of issue of invoices by the supplier. Okay, after taking this action, such input tax credit shall be added to the output tax liability of such registered person who availed such credit of tax, and such a registered person shall also be liable to pay interest at the rate of 18% for the period starting from the date of availing such input tax credit till the date of when the amount added to his output tax liability. Okay, so this is the total knowledge related to the reversal of input tax credit. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and you can contact us for any kind of queries related to GST, accountancy and income tax. Okay, thank you very much.